Hello Isla, hello Isabelle. This is a story about Tom Kitten. Once there were 3 kittens named Mittens, Moppet and Tom Kitten. They loved to run about and play. One day their mother, Tabitha Twitchit, had friends to tea, so she dressed them in their best clothes. When the friends arrived, the kittens were sent into the garden. "Keep your frocks clean," warned Tabitha Twitchit. But soon there were smears on all their clothes, and Tom Kitten had lost several buttons from his jacket. As the kittens climbed onto the garden wall, Tom Kitten lost his hat. They watched the puddle ducks come marching along. Jemima Puddle Duck put on Tom Kitten's hat. The kittens laughed so much they tumbled off the wall. The ducks began to put on all the kittens' clothes. Mr. Drake Puddle Duck looked very silly indeed. When the puddle ducks were dressed, they set off up the road, pit pat paddle pat. When the kittens arrived home, Tabitha Twitchit was very cross. She sent the kittens to their bedroom. The puddle ducks went to the pond, where their clothes came off. They have been looking for them ever since. Hope you enjoyed the story.